And this product is a product by Metagenics. I'm looking at it right now, Ultrainflamx 360. Now, there are many different flavors of Ultrainflamx 360 by Metagenics. This is another product for leaky gut and calming the intestinal tract down. It is extremely powerful. There's a lot of ingredients in it. It can be used as a meal replacement. So it's good that way. So there's some protein in it. If you have severe autoimmune conditions, I don't recommend this product because sometimes people with diagnosis of Crohn's, ulcerative colitis, and serious IBS, sometimes the Ultrainflamx product line, in my experience clinically, I see sometimes it can flare it. So if you're dealing with all these GI issues, probably better to use something a little bit calmer, Repairvite GT or SE. However, if Ultrainflamx works for you, or if you're looking for a meal replacement and you've been dealing with chronic GI problems, Ultrainflamx packs the biggest punch. And as I'm going to say again, just do the recommendations on the bag. I believe it's 1 scoop 2 times, or 1 or 2 scoops per serving. I usually recommend people doing 1 scoop 2 times a day to build a tolerance with it. A lot of these supplements, you have to start off low and build up to your tolerance. So that is the Ultrainflamx 360 by Metagenics.